Head decompression massage tutorial. First, smooth out your hair. Each of the following lines should be done at least 5 times. The first line goes from the shenting point to the Beihui point. The second line goes from the Yichang point to the Beihui point. Apply pressure based on your personal comfort level. The third line goes from the Taowei point to the Beihui point. Use your fingertips to massage the head. Use knuckles to massage the entire head. With both hands together, use 2 fingers to gently tap the head. Finally, use the 5-tooth wooden massage comb to relax the head.
Ever notice how much tension you hold in your shoulders and back? Well, a simple shoulder and back massage can really make a difference. Your back is like a central highway for your body's energy, with important pathways, called meridians, connecting to your organs. Massaging these areas helps improve blood flow and circulation, which can ease muscle tightness and pain, especially if you spend a lot of time at a desk. Plus, it can give your immune system a boost by activating immune cells. And because these meridians are linked to your internal organs, it can even help with things like digestion. Doing this kind of massage once or twice a week can really improve your overall well-being and help you feel more relaxed and energized. So grab a friend or family member and give it a try. It's a simple way to feel better. Full version of back essential oil massage. First, apply an appropriate amount of massage oil evenly to the back. Then, perform lifting and grasping on the Feng Qi and Feng Fu acupoints. First step, alternately push the neck, massaging the cervical lymph nodes on both the left and right sides. Second step, massage our shoulders and neck, first pushing the trapezius muscles on both the left and right sides, using the knuckles of a fist to push from the inside out. Lifting and grasping our Dashui acupoint area. Third step, push along the central Du meridian on the back, performing direct pushing from top to bottom. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. After pushing to our waist, alternately rub to warm the area. Then, push along the bladder meridian on both the left and right sides. Use a fist to push the left bladder meridian to our waist, then push the right bladder meridian. Perform soothing pushes on the shoulder blades on both the left and right sides. After pushing the left side, push our right side. Perform press kneading on the Tianzong acupoint, performing 3 to 5 repetitions. Finally, make a fist and rub to warm the entire back. Strengthen the massage on the waist as well. Quickly learn these techniques and try them on your family. Waist massage. Step 1. Push and knead in circles with palms. Step 2. Divide and separate horizontally to both sides with thumbs. Step 3. Point knead the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Step 4. Strengthen the push with finger knuckles in a clenched fist. Step 5. Rub the lower back until warm and soothe both sides of the waist. Abdominal massage relaxation techniques. Take an appropriate amount of massage oil and apply and soothe in circles, clockwise to relieve constipation, counterclockwise to relieve diarrhea. Press the acupoints on the abdomen in sequence. Then, first push the Ren meridian in the middle of the abdomen. Then push the stomach meridian 2cun lateral to the navel. Push both sides multiple times. Knead the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. Knead and press in a circle around the navel. Alternately push and press the dimeridian. The dimeridian is the only horizontal meridian in the human body. If the dimeridian is blocked, fat will easily accumulate. Strengthen one side. Alternately press and knead with palm heels for expelling gas. Pull down to the inguinal area to drain.
If your knee is feeling uncomfortable right now, I'll teach you 3 moves to provide immediate maintenance for your knee. The first move: use the edge of your hand, the area between the pinky and the wrist. Place it on both sides of the knee. We'll brush downwards for fascia grooming. It's important to ensure our leg is relaxed. The thigh muscles shouldn't be tense. Otherwise, it won't be effective. The second move: grab the front of the thigh like this, targeting the quadriceps. Use the thumb to push across. Perform this technique 8 times. The third move: we need to mobilize the patella. Pinch the patella with your fingers. Then move it up and down. This helps lubricate the knee joint, reducing localized inflammatory stimulation. Perform this move 20 times. After completing these 3 moves, your knee will feel much more relaxed and comfortable. Hurry up and save this and start practicing.